Hello everyone. Now I'm going to present about a project, a ResNet and plan-based multimodal biometric framework for secure online voting. And the most agendas are introduction, statement of the project, scope of the project, methodologies, and also we have output, test cases, conclusions, frameworks. The introduction is the event of digital era has arisen and heightened focus on secure and efficient electoral process prompting the rise of electronic e-voting. It is basically e-voting. The process includes some verifications like face verification, iris verification, finger verification, and also email with OTP. Statement of the problem is the problem at the hand is the development of the secure and reliable electronic voting system. Traditional paper-based voting methods are often slow, prone to errors and some fraud directions. Ensuring accurate vote casting and counting is a major challenge in maintaining election identity. We are focused on the fraud detections and also the scams. We conclude the perfect voting system. The scope of the project is the e-voting is basically the system will allow registered voters to cast their remotely using facial and biometric eliminating the need of physical presence at polling stations. It is basically for the target audience, government elections commission and eligible citizens and voters. The deliverables are a secure cloud-based e-voting web application with a citizen-facing portal for voting and an admit da- dashboard for election management. A highly accurate and secure facial recognition and liveness detection API to prevent proofing. Documentations details the models, architecture, training process, and performance. The most scope is inclusion as voter registration and identity verification via government issued ID, development of an admin dashboard for election setup monitoring and result tabulations. The exclusion is voter registration drive or eligibility determinations. The e-voting scope is basically a data. The data is using a publicly available facial recognition for initial model development and limitations are data constraints and also a resource limitations. Methodologies we can use collecting the data and verification for the voters, data processing and data feature extraction, facial recognitions, web app developments, system integration and testing. The methodologies for voter recognition and verification include the facial recognition and liveness detection, gathering and validating voter register data, selecting the configuring authentication thresholds, collecting match scores and maximum authentication details. The e-voting platform is managed on collecting and encrypting cast votes. Choose a secure database and serve architecture basically for simulating electric election screens. These are the architecture diagram and flow diagram. This is basically a use case diagram with the user and the admin. User can access their login phase, OTP, and also the link admin can developing a model training access voting page OTP verification. This is the activity diagram and this is the data flow diagram, ER diagram, oral diagram. This is the flow chart of how it started and how it's ended. The algorithms are pseudocode for her algorithm. This is her feature selections for a creation of integral images, cassette classifier for the face recognitions, and OpenCV for pre-trained classifiers. The processors are i3, i5, i7, RAM is 8 GB, hard disk is 500 GB. Operating systems as Windows, front end HTML, CSS, scripts or Python language, tools are Python idle. Implementations of this project is Flask, OpenCV, Delete, SQLite 3, facial recognition trainings, voter authentications, and voting system. These are the codes for we are using OpenCV, image recognitions, cassette. These all are the important codes in this, and outputs are this is the face interface of the system, and this is the admin dashboard for available for checking and the registered data, results, and voters list, adding the nominees and register users, and also nominee list. This is the output where the voter can log in with their username, mail, and OTP, and also their iris image. After all successful verification, the OTP will send to their mail. They can verify it, and then they cast the vote. After that, we are seeing the vote result in only in admin dashboard. This is the most accuracy for the result as accuracy is 9.5, precision is 99.2, recall is 97.8. System preferences authentication speed is 3, OTP is 10, voting process is 2, 99% system uptime. The conclusion of this is in this paper present a promising approach to enhance the security, efficiency, and integrity of electoral process. The convenience facial recognition streamlines the voter experience for citizens with hard hazard classifiers ensure accurate and reliable face patterns analysis. However, successful implementation requires careful consideration of privacy protections, addressing basis, and maintaining transparency to gain public trust with appropriate measurement. E-voting with facial recognition and OTP verification can pave the way for more accessible and ensure democratic selections in the digital era. This is mostly a framework for enhancing this technology with more security and transparency for authentications and verification. Additionally, we aim to develop user-friendly interface for real-time tracking of election results and repose attending auditing system for comprehensive post-election analysis and verification. These are all the references. Thank you.